Hi everyone, welcome to Fire TV Hunter RJ. I'm Deborah, and today we're installing Scrubs V2, the top Kodi Addon for free TV shows and series on Firestick. It's trending in November 2025 for its fast links, but always stream legally and use a VPN for safety. Let's get it set up in under a minute. First, ensure Kodi is installed on your Firestick. Grab it from the Amazon App Store if needed. Step 1. Open Kodi. Go to Settings, Gear Icon, System, Add-ons. Enable Unknown Sources. Step 2. Back to Settings, File Manager, Add Source. Enter https://jwbmx github.io and name it Jumks. Step 3. Home Add-ons install from zip Jumks repository, Jumks x zip. Step 4. Install from repository, Jumks repo video add-ons, Scrubs V2 install. Wait for the notify. Pro tip: integrate Real Debris for premium links and pair with NordVPN. Scrubs V2 is live. Binge away. Like if this was easy. Subscribe for more Kodi guides and comment your fave series. Stay safe, stream smart. See you next on Fire TV Hunter RJ.